Hello guys, so welcome back to my channel. You're welcome back to another episode of today's video. Today is the 5th of February 2023, and as you all can see, today we have 3 days to go to start the trading of a core on various exchange platforms. Okay, now this is the tweet of CoreDAO some hours ago. They say get ready to stake. 3 days to go, and there was a response from Luna Gens. They said staking is the best way to increase your CoreDAO back. I hope you can see it on the screen. Okay, guys, this is the response the Luna Games official Twitter gave to CoreDAO on this tweet. Okay, guys. So get ready, guys. Get ready, guys. Make sure you have linked your MetaMask wallet, mainnet core wallet address to your Satoshi Core mining app. Okay. Make sure you've done your verification, and we wait till 8th of February 2023. That is in 3 days. In 3 days time. Now, guys, there's another tweet here about 24 hours ago by CoreDAO. This tweet is in respect of Element Wallet, which has been newly introduced. Okay, they say that the first wallet with native core blockchain support. This is another wallet which we believe will be like the MetaMask wallet, which we are used to. Okay, so probably we're going to be using this Element wallet for our core transactions. Okay, so let's patiently wait. Let's patiently wait until the release of the Element wallet. Okay, once it's released, I'll drop the update on this channel. Okay, so we all download and we start making use of the wallet. Okay, guys. Now I want us to look into another tweet which was made by the CoreDAO. This is very interesting. Okay, this tweet was made around 9 p.m. on the 4th of February. It says it's all about core on Coingecko. It's all about core on Coingecko. So let's click on this link and let's see what we have there. Okay, wow, guys, this is very interesting. The Coingecko have added CoreDAO on their watch list, or let's say on their price aggregator. Okay, this is it. Okay, this is the preview. Okay, you can go through this. Okay, through the link that I'll drop in the description. You go through this. Okay, so it's very wonderful. This shows that something great ahead is coming. Okay, something wonderful is coming. So, guys, this is a good news. This is a good news. Get yourselves prepared. Like I said before, get yourselves prepared. In 3 days time, it's going to be wonderful. Everybody, each and every one of us will feel happy. Okay, as we anticipate good news and good reports from the CoreDAO in respect of a commencement of trading. Then also another thing I want us to look into is this tweet which was made about the CoreDAO official Telegram channel. Okay, guys, so this is the Telegram channel. Okay, recently I received some links today and yesterday. You know, some persons posting some kind of links which is not the same with this particular link which the CoreDAO has given unto us. So if you want to join the CoreDAO Telegram channel, this is the right link to make use of. Please do not be deceived. Okay, do not be deceived. This is the right link. So to join, you simply come to this link here. You click on it, then you join this Telegram channel to get more updates. Okay, about the CoreDAO. Okay, remember, do not click random links. Do not click random links, as it is very dangerous, especially now that we are anticipating the launch of this core. Okay, the starting of the trading of core in different exchange platforms. So, guys, this is what I want to bring to you today. Okay, in today's episode. Now, if you've not registered for Core, I'll drop the link in the description. Please feel free, for some of you who have been asking me a lot of questions. Okay, well, I'll drop the link of my WhatsApp group in the description so that you go through. Okay, excuse me, sorry for that, so that you join my YouTube channel, my WhatsApp group. Okay, guys, I'll drop the link in the description. Sorry for that distraction. I'll drop the link in the description so that you join. Okay, then ask me whatever question you wish to ask me in my WhatsApp group. I hope to see you in my next video. Bye.